When a customer brought in their vehicle complaining about the check engine light being on, I began by connecting a scan tool to diagnose the issue. The scan tool revealed the code P0011, a camshaft position, timing over advanced, or system performance, Bank 1. This code typically points to an issue with the variable valve timing, VVT, system, which controls the camshaft position to optimize engine performance and efficiency. To investigate further, I used the scan tool to monitor live data while the engine was idling. I noticed that the camshaft position was not at 0 degrees, as it should have been. To confirm, I increased the engine speed to 2500 RPM and observed that the camshaft position did not change as commanded by the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. This suggested that the VVT system was not responding properly. Next, I used a lab scope to monitor the signals from the camshaft position sensor and the crankshaft position sensor. By backprobing the signal wires at their respective harness connectors, I was able to observe the waveforms at idle and at 2500 RPM. The camshaft position sensor signal did not show any changes, confirming that the camshaft timing was not advancing or retarding as commanded by the PCM. With the engine running, I used the scan tool to manually command the variable valve timing control solenoid to adjust the camshaft position. However, there was no response. The camshaft position remained unchanged. This indicated that the issue was likely with the VVT control solenoid itself. To confirm, I removed the variable valve timing control solenoid from the engine valve cover. Upon inspection, I found that the solenoid was contaminated with debris, causing it to be stuck in the open position. A stuck solenoid can prevent the PCM from properly controlling the camshaft timing, leading to engine performance issues and triggering the P0011 code. To resolve the problem, I replaced the faulty variable valve timing control solenoid with a new one. After the replacement, I cleared the fault codes and performed a road test. The vehicle operated smoothly, the check engine light stayed off, and no fault codes returned. This step-by-step diagnostic process ensured the root cause of the problem was accurately identified and resolved. Monitoring the camshaft and crankshaft sensor signals, as well as manually commanding the VVT solenoid, provided clear evidence of the solenoid's failure. Properly functioning variable valve timing is essential for maintaining optimal engine performance, fuel efficiency, and emissions control.